If you traveled along Old Hope Road in St Andrew, chances are you encountered taxi drivers behaving recklessly on the road. Well, one motorist filmed it all and shared the video with TVJ News. Just how reckless are they? Anthony Lugg has his primetime news story.
Indiscipline. That's how many describe the actions of some of the taxi operators plying the halfway tree to Pepin route in St Andrew, as taxi drivers break the rules daily. Take a look at this video obtained by a dashcam in Ligonier, St Andrew. The traffic light is on red, but that doesn't seem to mean anything. Moments after, not one, not two, but 3 taxis pulled up to the filter lane. The light changes to green and the taxi drivers speed off. This driver changes lanes so close that it misses another vehicle by centimeters, only to stop meters away to unload passengers. It doesn't stop there. Another traffic light. This time, the driver uses the outside lane and again changes lane. The indiscipline continues. What you're seeing now is the drivers exchanging cash. One turns on the hazard light, signaling to vehicles behind to wait. We showed this video to head of the Highway and Traffic Division, Senior Superintendent Calvin Allen.
These are some of the very persons that we prosecute on a daily basis. These are behavior that we certainly don't support. We condemn these sort of a behavior, and what we are talking about are public passenger operators. So part of what we do, in addition to the prosecution of these persons, is that collaboration with the transport authority, because we strongly believe that for some of these persons, if they continue to be habitual in their deviant behavior, then I believe that their road license should be called into question.
SSP Allen adds that the police will not be letting up in their prosecution efforts.
These public passenger operators need to display far better behavior, and I know that the transport authority itself is rewriting its own regulation with some far stringent measures coming out of it. So I'm looking forward to that. And I'm also looking forward to the new Road Traffic Act, which has far greater teeth than the one we now operate under.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.